హలో వ్యూవర్స్, మొదటిసారిగా మీరు మా వీడియోస్ని చూస్తున్నట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Okay, today I am taken one important problem from trigonometry chapter. This is show that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 in triangle ABC. That is also right angle triangle. So we know that this AB you can call it as adjacent side to theta. This side you can call it as opposite side to theta. 90 degrees opposite side you have to call it as hypotenuse. According to the figure I given the values here. In right angle triangle ABC, angle ABC or angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees, BAC is equal to theta degrees, BCA is equal to 90 minus theta. Why? Sum of the three angles is 90 degrees. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So if you added these three, you can get it as 180 degrees. From triangle ABC, from triangle means from triangle ABC. So I am writing the formulas of trigonometry ratios. Sin theta, according to the formula, sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. That means BC by AC. Cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. AB by AC. Tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. That is BC by AB. Cosec theta is reciprocal of the sin theta. So reciprocal you have AC by BC. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. AC by AB you can write. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. AB by BC. Of writing of these all ratios. Now the first sum I am taking. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. How much you have to show? 1. Then I am writing sin square. Sin square means you have to apply squaring on both sides. BC square by AC square. Cos square AB square by AC square. Then you have to add fractions addition. LCM is same. AC square as the numerators you have to add BC square plus AC square. From the triangle BC square plus AB square is exactly equal to AC square. That is Pythagoras statement. So I am rewriting BC square plus AB square. This is BC square plus AB square. This is area. BC square plus AB square is exactly equal to AC square. AC square by AC square. Cancellation one time. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to how much you have to say? 1. So finally we have to say sin square theta plus cos square theta value is how much? 1. And second one, secant square theta minus tan square theta I have to prove. How much? 1. For that, secant square theta means AC square by AB square minus tan square theta means BC square by AB square. If you observe the denominators are same, then the LCM is AB square. Now numerators you have to write as it is AC square minus BC square. Why? Denominator same is then so only numerators, so whatever is there that you have to write. From AC square, already we said this is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is Pythagoras statement. So I need only AC square minus BC square. Then exactly you can get it as AB square. One side we are transposing to that side means negative will come. Then the remaining value we are AB square get cancelled one. Therefore secant square theta minus tan square theta is also 1. This is the second proof. And next we have to show cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. How? Look at here. Now cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Cosec square theta means I have to apply squaring on both. That means AC square by BC square minus cot square theta means AB square by BC square. What is the LCM of these two? BC square is the LCM. Numerators AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square. AC square minus AB square is exactly equal to BC square. BC square by BC square. This is exactly equal to cosec square theta minus cot square. Cancellation. How many times cancellation? One time. Therefore, finally, how to say cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Then finally, these three you can say it as the identities. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This how we got? According to the Pythagoras statement only we got these values. So Pythagoras statement is very important. In a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is exactly equal to sum of the squares of other places. That was from the statement only we got these information. Very, very, very important. Either it will give for 1 mark or 2 marks. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell icon for a new video update.